Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're pulling out the crystal ball and taking a look at the future of AI. Specifically, what will the AI landscape look like in 2026? Now, I know what you're thinking. Bigger models. GPT-5, GPT-6, models so powerful they can write a novel and compose a symphony at the same time. And yes, models will get bigger and more capable. But I want to argue that the real seismic shift we'll see by 2026 won't be about the size of the model. It's going to be about something far more practical and, honestly, far more impactful. Workflows. Right now, we're in what I call the magic trick phase of AI. We prompt a model, it gives us a fantastic result, and we say, wow. We use it to write an email, generate an image, or summarize a long article. These are single, isolated tasks. It's incredibly useful, but it's like having a superpowered Swiss Army knife. You pull out the right tool for the right job, one job at a time. But what happens when you need to use the scissors, then the screwdriver, then the can opener, all in a specific sequence to achieve a bigger goal? That's where things get clumsy. By 2026, the conversation will have shifted from what can this model do to what can this workflow achieve? We'll move beyond single-shot commands and into multi-step intelligent processes. Think about it, very few real-world tasks are just one step. Take creating a marketing campaign. Right now, you might ask an AI to brainstorm slogans. Then you open a new chat to ask it to write social media posts for those slogans. Then another to generate images for the posts. Then another to draft an email newsletter. Each step is manual. You are the human glue holding the process together. The future is about removing that human glue and replacing it with an intelligent, automated workflow. Imagine this. You provide a single, high-level goal, like launch a marketing campaign for our new eco-friendly water bottle. The AI system doesn't just give you a list of ideas. It initiates a workflow. First, a specialized research agent scours the web for competitor analysis and identifies our target audience. It feeds that data to a strategy agent, which outlines a full campaign plan, key messages, channels, and a timeline. Then that plan automatically triggers other agents. A copywriting agent starts drafting blog posts, social media captions, and ad copy, all tailored to the strategy. Simultaneously, an image generation agent creates a whole library of on-brand visuals to accompany the text. These aren't just random images. They're based on the product description and the target audience profile. Another agent might even draft video scripts for YouTube or TikTok. All of this happens in the background. The system then presents you with a complete, ready-to-review campaign package. You're no longer the operator, switching between tools. You've become the creative director, the final approver. You're not bogged down in the tedious, step-by-step execution. You're focused on high-level strategy and refinement. Your job is to say, I like this direction, but let's make the tone a bit more playful, and the entire workflow adjusts and regenerates the assets. This is the shift from a tool to a partner, an automated team member. This is what I mean by focusing on real results. The result isn't a clever paragraph of text. The result is a fully launched, successful marketing campaign. The result isn't a single cool image. It's a cohesive brand identity that drives sales. The value moves from the individual output to the end-to-end business outcome. This is possible because of a concept called agent-based modeling, or multi-agent systems. Instead of one massive, monolithic model trying to do everything, we'll see ecosystems of smaller, specialized AIs that collaborate. Think of it like a company. You don't hire one general business person to do everything. You have a marketing expert, a finance expert, a legal expert, and a sales expert. They each have their own domain knowledge, and they work together to make the company successful. AI in 2026 will be the same. We'll have a language agent, a data analysis agent, a coding agent, a visual agent, and they will be orchestrated by a conductor or manager agent to complete complex tasks. Platforms are already being built for this. We're seeing the early stages with tools that let you chain different AI models together. But by 2026, this will be seamless and integrated directly into the software we use every day. Your project management tool won't just track tasks. It will have AI agents that can complete those tasks. Your CRM won't just store customer data. It will have agents that proactively draft follow-up emails and identify sales opportunities based on that data. So what does this mean for us? For professionals, it means the nature of our work will change. The value we bring will be less about the manual execution of tasks, and more about our ability to define goals, ask the right questions, and creatively guide these AI workflows. It's about becoming an expert prompter, not of a single AI, but of an entire system of AIs. The most valuable skill will be workflow design, knowing how to break down a big problem into a series of steps that an AI system can execute. For developers and builders in the AI space, the race won't just be to build the largest foundation model. It will be to build the best orchestration layer, the most intuitive workflow builder, and the most reliable and specialized agents that can be plugged into these systems. The value will be in the ecosystem, the app store for AI agents, where you can pick and choose the best tools for your specific workflow. Reliability and consistency will become more important than raw, flashy creativity. A model that is 99.9% accurate and predictable is more valuable in a business workflow than a model that is 100% creative but only gets it right 80% of the time. This also means that the AI divide will be about who has access to the biggest model, because powerful models will become commoditized. The divide will be between those who know how to effectively build and manage AI workflows and those who do Businesses that successfully integrate these automated workflows will see massive leaps in productivity and efficiency, leaving competitors who are still stuck in the single-task mindset far behind. So, while the headlines in 2026 will still probably talk about GPT-6 and its mind-blowing new capabilities, I urge you to look deeper. Look at the software, the platforms, and the companies that are making AI practical. The ones that are turning AI from a magic trick into a reliable engine for getting things done. The real revolution won't be televised in a single jaw-dropping demo. It will be happening quietly, in the background, as millions of automated workflows start powering the world's businesses, research, and creativity. It's a future focused not just on bigger models, but on better, tangible results. What do you think? Are we heading for a workflow-driven future, or will the race for bigger models continue to dominate? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this look into the future, be sure to like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.